Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to make serious money in 2024 through dropshipping, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the best dropshipping strategies that you need to know to boost your profits and take your business to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or already have a dropshipping store, these tips will give you a competitive edge. So stick around because you won't want to miss a single detail. 1. Focus on niche markets. In 2024, it's all about niche markets. The days of trying to be everything to everyone are over. Focus on a specific niche where you can dominate. Look for markets that are underserved but have a passionate audience. For example, sustainable products, personalized gifts, or tech gadgets for specific hobbies are great niches to explore. By narrowing your focus, you'll face less competition and have a better chance of standing out. Research tools, Google Trends, Keyword Planner, market research reports. 2. Partner with reliable suppliers. Your supplier is the backbone of your dropshipping business. In 2024, the key to success is reliability and quality. Don't just pick any supplier, do your homework. Look for suppliers with great reviews, fast shipping times, and high-quality products. Building a solid relationship with your supplier can lead to better deals, priority service, and fewer headaches down the line. Tip: request samples before committing. 3. Optimize your online store. Next up, your online store. It needs to be user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for conversions. Make sure your site loads quickly, is mobile responsive, and has clear navigation. Use high-quality images and detailed product descriptions to build trust with your customers. Don't forget to add customer reviews. Social proof can make a huge difference in convincing visitors to make a purchase. 4. Master social media advertising. Social media is where your customers are, so that's where you need to be too. In 2024, platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook are still king for dropshipping businesses. Create eye-catching ads that speak directly to your target audience. Use retargeting ads to bring back visitors who didn't buy on their first visit. And don't forget about influencer marketing. Partnering with the right influencer can give your brand instant credibility and exposure. Popular ad platforms: Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads. 5. Implement data-driven strategies. Data is your best friend in 2024. Use analytics tools to track everything: traffic, conversion rates, customer behavior, and more. Platforms like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and your e-commerce platform's built-in tools will give you insights into what's working and what's not. Use this data to tweak your strategies, target your marketing efforts, and maximize your ROI. Tools to use: Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, Shopify Analytics. 6. Provide exceptional customer service. Customer service is a crucial element that can set your store apart from the competition. Make it easy for customers to reach you and respond quickly to their inquiries. Use chatbots to handle common questions and free up your time. And always follow up after a sale to ensure customer satisfaction. Remember, a happy customer is a repeat customer, and they're more likely to refer others to your store. Tip: offer live chat for immediate assistance. 7. Scale your business wisely. Finally, once your business is running smoothly, it's time to think about scaling. Consider expanding your product range, exploring new markets, or even automating parts of your business to handle more orders without increasing your workload. Use tools like email marketing automation, inventory management software, and outsourcing to grow your business without burning out. Scaling tools: Zapier, MailChimp, ShipStation. And there you have it, our top drop shipping strategies for making money in 2024. With the right niche, reliable suppliers, a well-optimized store, and powerful marketing tactics, you're well on your way to success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.